Instagram Reels have never been this easy to create. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first Instagram Reel using the video you already have on your phone. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. I'm going to show you how to make your first Instagram Reel, and this is going to be a quick, easy reel that you can just put out there. That's not going to take much effort, but it's going to just help you get used to putting out reels. And note that when you first start putting out reels, probably won't see many views on them. So this is a great opportunity for you just to work on getting better at creating things. When there's a smaller audience, there's not as much pressure of putting out something that's perfection. So you can really work on improving your skills. So to start, we're going to go into our Instagram, and now you have a couple ways you can enter reels. You can swipe over to the right, and then here at the bottom it's going to be Instagram Reels. Or you can go into Instagram Reels and see the camera in the top corner, click that and join Instagram Reels. Or you can go to your profile and then click the plus sign and then select Reel and join Instagram Reels. This way I think is easiest because it allows you to have most options. You have your drafts easily available. You can switch to your camera. There's templates, and then there's made for you. So these are templates that Instagram makes for you from your archive. So you can see this is probably the easiest thing because you don't actually have to create any new content. You can just look at what Instagram's already created for you based on what you've already posted. So I love this because this is my engagement. Ah, so cute. And then you can go through and you can see different things that Instagram decided to highlight for you. What I really love about this is these are like highlights that I've had in my stories from a long time ago, and this is like at least 5 years ago, and then I get to see it come up again and just show me in the archive. Oh, I like this. So if you click on one of these, you can select which music you want to use, and it's going to time it to that music for you. Okay. And then you can actually still add things to this and edit it. So if you click edit video or swipe up, you can click on the video itself. You can crop it so you can zoom in or move to the side if you like. Like say for example, say I clicked on this clip, but I'm still seeing this clip. What that means is I just have to move over to the next clip. So this white indicator line is showing on the clip that I want to look at. Let's press crop. Then we can crop. It's going to let you move it around with one finger, but it's going to allow you to zoom in and out with two. There we go. So this is me and Ryan, my husband, when we were taking our drone out for walks. So you can see it's quick, easy reel. I didn't have to create any additional content. Instagram already had this saved for me. And what I could do is I could add text to it. To add text, you just press text here at the bottom and then write your text. So if you see the text and you don't like the font, you can change that. Here you can just go through the fonts and decide on what you like. Let's say we pick this one. And then see how it's all in one line? Well, I can change how many words appear in a line with this side indicator. So let's say if I want it to be 2 lines, I click on that. I can change the alignment. I can zoom in and out, put it where I want to, done. And then once I press done and I'm back here at the editor, I'm going to be able to see where that text is going to show up. So I can use these yellow indicator lines to change the duration of the text. Sometimes it's hard to grab it. I think zooming in and out will help you like control it. There we go, got it to the end. And then if I just click here, if I want to change the position of the text, it's not going to allow me. I have to make it big, and then I can change how and where the text is going to appear. See, when I move the text around, there's these indicators that show up. Those just show where you could potentially have the text cut out so people wouldn't be able to see it. So I suggest having it within the video so that it doesn't get cut out. And then once you're done, just press next, write your caption, and you have your reel created. That's not where I thought that was gonna go. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business, so download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!